Today we're looking at some gaming PC peripherals by EasySMX. This is the EasySMX SI 2029 gaming keyboard, and we've got the V18 gaming mouse, and we've got the EGC3071W gaming controller. That's a mouthful. Now the gaming mouse is only about $9, which that's super cheap, so I'm hoping it's pretty good. The keyboard is about $42, and the gaming controller is about $29. So this goes from 400 to 4,000 DPI. Ooh, that's cool looking. For a cheap mouse, I'm hoping it's good. You can see that this thing has some extra buttons. This is called the sniper button. Basically what that means is when you hit that, you go into a very low DPI setting. I think it goes all the way down to the very bottom, so 400 DPI. If you're playing a game, like, I don't know, Sniper Elite or something like that, you can hit that when you're in snipe mode and it'll move a lot more smoothly. This one right here is called the fire button. Basically, it turns your single click into a double click. Then you got your forward back. These, I'm not sure what these are. I guess this is up and down. Then you got your scroll wheel, and then somehow, oh, there we go. Oh, look at that. Oh, that's magnetic. Okay, cool. So I'm not sure how much each one of them weigh. They're actually not very heavy at all. That's kind of neat. Now it feels super light, but these don't add a whole lot of weight to it, just a little bit. But you know, for $9, what do you know, can't expect the world here. Then you got a 6-foot long braided cable. It's nice braided black and red cable. It's a little small for my hands. My hands are a little bigger, but still comfortable. It's got that nice groove on the top. I'm guessing all this is gonna light up, and we'll find out here in a second. So let's put that off. Get out of here. And it's upside down. Instruction manual. So you will need this because the programmable buttons are built in. Oh, that's not bad. I'm kind of digging that. Look at that thick braided cable. Oh yeah, that's a sharp looking keyboard. Oh, very clicky, very clicky. Now, this actually has the blue switches in it, and there's 9 light modes that you can cycle through. I like this style because it's got the 10 key. I prefer a 10 key when I can get it. I don't know if you can really tell, but that's metal. The metal back plate. It feels nice and sturdy. The back has that honeycomb design on it. I guess that's maybe their trademark. You got your legs here, and you can redirect the cable any which way you want. It's like 6.5-foot cable. Very nice and sturdy cable. And don't worry, we're gonna plug them all in all at once, and we're gonna try it all out. I wanna try it as a whole set. Can you open? Oh, that's weird. Okay. Hey, that's not bad looking. I'm not a huge fan of like third-party controllers. I'm very particular with my controllers. So, you know, I hope this is good. From what I've read, it's actually not too bad. It feels comfortable in the hand. It's got a nice resistance on the triggers. The right bumpers feel nice and comfortable. It's laid out like an Xbox controller. So you got the A, B, X, Y. You got your home button, which is, oh, I just turned it on. It's not super lightweight, but it's also not very girthy at all. It doesn't hold a lot of weight to it, but it feels pretty decent. So it's compatible with Android 5.0. I'm pretty sure they're referring to TV boxes because I didn't see anywhere where it said that this is Bluetooth. It comes with an actual receiver. It also says that it's compatible with PS3. Now it does come with a USB to micro USB cable, about 5 foot long. We're not gonna need that, because that's for charging, and it looks like it already has a charge. All right, so let's get out the laptop. That never gets old. That's cool. Okay. Oh yeah. So these top buttons right here, these are the DPI control buttons. Function and insert. You got the ASWD right here. Function, delete. Oh, and then you got this kind of zigzag pattern. You get kind of a wave pattern. Oh, I like that one. It does like a spiral. That's always a good one. Ah, there we go. Oh yeah, that's my favorite one. I'm digging that. And then you got the solid. Or nothing. Oh, look at that. Oh, that's a good one too. So when you touch it, it lights up. Very cool. Ah, yes, the pulse. All right, so DPI settings, I'm gonna set it all the way down. Oh wow, that's like barely moving at all. And then all the way up. Whoa, that's really fast. Okay, so now the keyboard, let's just see. 10 key is good. Numlock works as it's supposed to. Okay, so I had it backwards and I just noticed that's the sniper button and this is the double shot button. So when you hold down the sniper button, you can see how I'm moving here. and when I hold it down, it slows down. That is so convenient because it's right there where the thumb is at. And so once you release it, it just goes back to normals. In a high-pace action game, this come in really handy for those sniping shots. So say I have a pistol, that's regular shooting, but if I hit this button right here, it goes double shot, which is really cool. I'm digging that. Okay, so now the controller, oh wow. All right, so sensitivity. Oh yeah. Keep in mind, I'm not a fan, I've never been a huge fan of third-party controllers. All right, so joysticks are functional. They work pretty well. Let's see how sensitive they are. Let's do just a barely. Oh wow. Oh yeah. Oh, the sensitivity is perfect. It has just the right resistance on there. Yeah, that's pretty nice. What about forward? Oh man, that's smooth as butter. That's actually not bad. I'm kind of surprised. Okay, let's go. Oh yeah, I'm dead. I haven't played it in a very long time. Not bad, I really like that. That's not bad at all. $9 mouse, you're getting some functionality out of it that you don't typically get out of most mice. Most DPI settings that go from like real high to real low real quick are more like a switch. This is more like a toggle while you hold it, and I really like that feature. Also the double shot thing, I think that's pretty cool. I could definitely see that being really handy with like pistols and stuff like that. Now the keyboard, I think it's actually pretty nice. I mean, you know, it's metal finish. You got semi-customizable RGB. The blue switches feel really nice. You want to get a nice little gaming setup going on a budget, this is a good place to start. EasySMX, they're not bad. Anyway guys, that is it. I'm gonna leave a link down in the description below as usual. You guys know what to do, go check it out for yourself, but as for now, get out of here.